Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve Python proficiency with Amazon, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding the basics of Python.
Familiarize yourself with the syntax and core concepts.
Set up a Python development environment on your computer. Download and install Python from the official website. Choose an integrated development environment, or IDE, like Pycharm or VS Code. Begin with simple exercises to grasp fundamental programming concepts.
Explore free resources provided by Amazon Web Services, or AWS.
Sign up for an AWS account if you don't have one. Access the AWS Training and Certification portal. Look for beginner-level courses focused on Python.
Enroll in courses that include practical exercises.
Follow along with the course material and code examples.
Practice writing Python scripts using the AWS Cloud9 IDE.
Cloud9 offers a collaborative environment and real-time coding features. Take advantage of AWS free tier for hands-on practice. Experiment with services like AWS Lambda to deploy simple Python applications.
Learn how to automate tasks using Python and AWS SDK. Understand using libraries like Boto3 for interacting with AWS services.
Engage with the AWS community through forums and study groups.
Utilize platforms like Stack Overflow for coding questions and bug fixes.
Consider accountability by joining online coding challenges. Participate in platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode focused on Python. Seek feedback from peers to refine your code and problem-solving skills. Track progress by maintaining a coding journal or log. Set specific goals to keep your learning focused and structured. Revisit concepts regularly to strengthen your understanding. Challenge yourself with real-world projects that utilize Python and AWS. Build applications that solve actual problems or automate tasks.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.